Welcome back to my channel, guys. I know it's been such a long time since I've recorded a video here on YouTube, but today we're gonna kick things off with a get ready with me for a work event video. So we're just applying some eyeshadow to the eyes using my Modern Renaissance palette from Anastassia Beverly Hills, and we're just blending that out with a blending brush. We're starting with the transition color first, and we're just gonna pat that blend that in with the brush in, just to avoid all the lines and stuff. Then moving on to the next color, we're taking a I don't remember the name of that, but I will definitely put it in the description bar. So we're blending that out from the outer corner into the crease, and then we're just gonna buff it in, and then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side, because whatever you do to one side, you just do it to the other. Then we're gonna take that darker color because I like the look that it gives. So the darker color to the outer corners, just give it a little edge. Even though it's for work, we don't want to do too much, so we're just blending that out so it has a minimal look. Next, we're going to use our lid color, and that is the lighter shade. So you put the dark shades at the top, and then the lid color is usually the lighter shade. So we're applying that. We're gonna pretend we're actually doing a cut crease, because God knows we don't have the time for a real cut crease. So we're just making an illusion of a cut crease, and that's what we did. And then we move back into the palette for the darker shade to just blend all the colors together. Then we're gonna highlight our brow bone with a matte lighter shade at the top, yes, underneath the brow. Moving on to face, we are taking that Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer and applying that. And because I have acne, so I use something that's for acne and that's oil-free. So we're just hitting the neck. Ensure you do your neck, guys. Moisturize the neck, because your neck shows your age and we don't want that. So we're just blending that out. Ensure that we are fully moisturized. Now going in with the Fenty Beauty primer, we're priming our face. So this is a mattifying primer, and it's very good. I really love it. So we're buffing the primer in at all areas where I tend to get oily. So I do get oily a lot, so I use a lot of primer. And oh yeah, forgot, so we applied our lashes, and then we're back applying our eyeliner. So I use the Inglot liner. Moving on to foundation, we're mixing the Maybelline and the Estee Lauder foundation together, because the Maybelline foundation is too dark, so I've mixed it with my Estee Lauder, and then we're blending that out with my Morphe foundation brush. Now moving on to concealer, we're highlighting our face with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. Next up is our buttercup powder from Sacha Cosmetics. So we are setting our concealer with that powder, but I'm not using too much because sometimes it tends to look it's too bright at times and we're going to work. So we're just trying to keep things at a minimal. Then after that, we're going to contour our face with our Morphe Face palette. And we're contouring the sides of our cheeks and the whole perimeter of the face. So that's what we're doing here, and then we're gonna blend that out. Now we're gonna go in with the RCMA No Color powder. It's a translucent powder. I really love that. I do not do makeup without that. So I set the entire face with that to avoid oils and, you know, just to keep the makeup in place, and it doesn't give a color. So I really love that. Now we're blending out the baking powder or the setting powder, whatever you want to call it. We're blending that out with a brush and ensure that, you know, the face is fully set. Then we're gonna contour our nose with the same contour powder we applied at the jawline. Next up, we're gonna highlight using that, you know, goldish looking shade. We're highlighting our cheekbones, and this is one of my favorite part of makeup. So yeah, this just give me a buzz. Yeah, you make you feel like yourself. So we're highlighting the next side of the cheek, and we're going, and you know, carnival music is playing on my phone, so I'm feeling like myself. Then we're going to apply mascara to the bottom lashes using the Maybelline Falsies mascara. Yeah, so I like to put mascara on my bottom lashes, and I do apply mascara to my false lashes as well, and these are the lashes that I sell. So I think I was wearing the 3D mink lash in Hypnotize, but I will definitely put a link to those in the description bar. Now we're highlighting our inner corners so we can look bright and awake. Now we're applying blush. It's on the same palette, so I'm using that blush color on the cheeks, not too much because you don't want to look like a clown. And we're going to work so we can't have too much loud colors, so we're just keeping it basic, but you know, with a little touch of color so we don't look too dead. Then I went ahead and changed my clothes, put on my work blouse, and now I'm just buffing out the reverse contour I did with the foundation brush, and then I'm highlighting my nose. Now we're lining the lips using the same eyebrow pencil I used. So this is the Clean Color brown liner, pencil liner. And then we're going to apply a lipstick. I think this one is the Colorpop Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Barracuda. And then we're applying lip gloss. This is the Anastassia Beverly Hills lip gloss, but I will put the name of the color. I do not remember that. So that's all done, and I'm loving the look. I mean, like, I didn't realize that the foundation was in my hair. So yeah, now we're going to set the face with our Sacha Cosmetics setting spray, and this is a very setting spray. Only thing, the nozzle is very annoying. So now we set the face, but the thing isn't coming out because something is wrong with the nozzle clearly. And then we got that done, and then I'm looking at myself and I'm liking the look. I'm feeling it. Yeah, it's not every day I put myself together like this. Normally I look like a bum, but sometimes, you know, you just want to look different, and I'm loving it. Yeah, it's giving everything. It is giving. So that is just me fixing my hair and trying to look cute, and I'm taking some pictures at this time, I believe. Yeah, so up close and personal, this is how the look actually came out, and I do love it. Don't forget to subscribe, guys.